Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install the live chat widget on GoHighLevel. Now, if you're new around here, you can get a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel with our link down below. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to go to this right here, click here to switch, just click on it and then go and switch to your sub account. You will need to go and switch to a sub account in order for this to work properly. Now what you want to do is you want to go to the marketing section or sites. Usually it's around sites right here. As you can see, you will see the chat widget, but if it's not, then it's on the automation or marketing side. So go to sites and then go to chat widget here. As you can see, make sure to enable the chat bubble. Here you can customize what will say right here when someone clicks on that chat widget. You can also edit the image of the chat widget before adding it to the website, or you can enable custom greetings. For example, welcome back, name, how can we help you, right? You can do that. However, once you do that, click save and then click get code right here. Now, once you get code, as you can see, this will look like this. You also have via GTM. However, I'm not sure what you can use this for, but you can use this code particularly here. Go copy code. Once you copy the code, if you have a website, make sure to paste it in the body of the website. Now, if you don't have a website or if you have it on GoHighLevel, it's a little bit different to integrate. So what you want to do is you want to go to the automation, or no, go to sites and then go to funnels or websites. This will depend what you want. Usually it's under the websites, and just go to the website here, go to the edit. Once you click edit on the website right here, you will go to settings, and on the settings you will have body tracking code here. So here you can paste this particular code, which is a chat widget. You can hit save. Once you hit save right here, you will be able to go back to the agency here, this agency template. We can go here again. And what we can do is let's just visit the home page right here. Now we'll need to wait until this loads up. And as you can see right here, we have a chat widget, which is really great. It works like a charm. So it works really fast and well. So that's pretty much how you can install a live chat widget in GoHighLevel. Again, if you want a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel, you can get one with a link down below, and you can get many discounts with that free trial as well. So definitely check it out down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.